Hey guys, this is AmCan Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AxonApp. It's a simple app that I built. Right now it's in beta, and here's how you use it. So first you open the app just to enable everything. Then you click on Edit, and you'll see this data usage tile. So you'll just bring it over here, for example. You click the back button. And now you're literally all set up. If you want to activate it, then you click on it. And then it opens the data usage tile. This only works in the US version, and it's using a private API. So it has some bugs right now, but this is being fixed. Please leave us your feedback, and if you're a developer for the global version and you want to help us out, then send me an email.